Why bother marketing your business when big corporations will take all the customers? This is what most business owners think who don't do digital marketing. Because digital marketing is your one and only resource against all big corporations if you want to compete with them head to head. And through this course, I will walk you through digital marketing strategies that you can use to compete with any million billion dollar firm and still get your fair share of customers. Now, before we get into the details of this course and this lecture, I want you to understand few key concepts or have a new perspective about the market. See, if you are a small business owner or a local business owner, or you are somebody who wants to learn digital marketing just as in general, you need to understand that while internet has billions of people and millions of brands are trying to get attention of your target audience customer, the ideal audience is only watching one thing at a time on the screen. It means if your target audience is going through Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn, like whatever social media, YouTube, Google, blogging, whatever they are watching on their phone or on their desktop, they are only watching one thing at a time. And also, only one person is seeing that one thing at a time, even if you are doing marketing at a scale, because one person, one screen, one thing. So it means if you succeed in creating an advertisement or a piece of content that get attention of your target audience, it means your piece of content or ad will replace the ad or content of a billion dollar firm or company. So it is not as difficult as you think when it comes to digital marketing, only if you know the basics of digital marketing. I have designed this course in a way that while you will feel like you are learning very basics and it is so easy to grab, you will actually capture the key concepts of marketing strategy that can be used across digital or traditional um, marketing efforts across any industry, any clientele, product or service based businesses. So let's get started. And we will start with the very basic of what is digital marketing? Digital marketing refers to the use of online platforms and tools to promote product and services to a targeted audience. So, what happens is when you use any online platform or medium to get the attention of your target audience, that is called digital marketing. It could be a social media channel such as Instagram, it could be a blogging platform such as YouTube, it could be a blog written on your website, that is on Google, it could be a marketing promotion email sent through email, or it could be a text message. Anything done online to promote your business or product is called digital marketing. And unlike traditional marketing methods, digital marketing gives you an edge. Why? Because let's assume you rented a billboard on a very busy street. Okay. And now you are paying tens of thousands of dollars every month to rent that place, rent that digital real estate, so that you can capture the attention of your target audience. So now what are the downsides here? Number one, the billboard is stationary. It cannot go around following your target audience, whereas digital ads are can follow your target audience anywhere. You can target people on Instagram, and anybody who watches your reel there, you can target them on Google or YouTube, or anybody who visited your website, you can target them on Facebook. So it means digital marketing allows you to follow your customer across platform, channel, or media. Number two, who is measuring, like who is taking note of how many people read the billboard, how many people actually saw that for a minute, and how many of them were your target audience? Nobody. And just assume if it's on a busy highway, people are going at a speed of 80 miles per hour and you are done. Well, you end up paying so much money. On the other hand, when you do digital marketing, you get the opportunity to choose the gender, the age, the city, the street, the pin code, the phone numbers. If you have a list of people who could be your customers, you have to have their number, email, and phone. You can literally show your ad specific to them. Also, you can do account based marketing. Let's say you sell a particular service or product and you want to sell this thing to a very big corporation. You can simply scrape their emails from LinkedIn or any other source, put it in Facebook, and show them your ads. See, it means digital marketing not only allows you to show your ad to targeted people, it allows you to choose those people as well, which is not possible through any marketing or any traditional marketing method. That's why digital marketing is your best resource against billion-dollar firms. And here are 5 reasons you need to invest in digital marketing right now. Number one, to reach a wider audience. Digital marketing allows you to transcend your geographical borders so that you can reach anybody you want. If you are selling if you are selling handmade paintings or any products in Chicago, you can sell it in Australia, Canada, Europe, anywhere. Why? Because unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing allows you to share your content across the globe so that you can get eyeballs of your target audience. Number two, it is cost effective. Yes, it is cost effective. Often, and many people think that digital marketing is expensive. Why? Because it has an upfront cost. You have to invest in software. Sometimes you need to invest in an agency. You need to hire somebody, or you need to pay the ad cost upfront. And that is nothing in comparison to what you spend on traditional methods or the money you lose when you will not market at all. Digital marketing is cost effective because it is targeted, it is specific, it is measurable. You can decide that if I'm selling handmade cushion covers made with pure cotton, and then you can target 30-year-old self-employed or salaried women who just bought a new house and need breathable fabric for their cushions or need elegant cushions for their home. Yes, you can literally target this much hyper focused audience if you know how to do digital marketing. So therefore it is not expensive, it is actually cost effective because you are not paying for users who are not your target audience. Stay competitive, which is totally not possible without digital marketing. Why? Because let's assume you sell cakes and shop across the street also sell cakes. Now, you don't have Google My Business, you don't have Instagram, you don't have Pinterest, you are not on YouTube, you are nowhere to be found. And the other person has Google My Business account so that local people can find it, has Instagram and he's posting reels of his cakes, pastries, and all the savory items so that everybody who loves watching food reels can see his brand on Instagram and Facebook. He is posting blogs on how his kitchen operates, his ingredients, how he sources his ingredients, how his kitchen is maintained on YouTube so that everybody can see how great his business is. And moreover, he is spending on Facebook ads. Literally, he is spending on Facebook ad so that he can show his yummy product on Facebook and Instagram, targeting people who have birthday in next 7 days, 14 days, 1 month, who have anniversaries, who have birthdays, who have any kind of celebration, so that anybody who needs a cake get cake from him. Now, who will get the sale? Tell me. Who will get the sale? Definitely the person who is doing so much marketing. So, by investing in marketing, you don't just post, you don't just get sales, you actually stay competitive in business because you are able to be head to head with your competition. If you don't post on digital media or just stay in your home or business thinking that God will drop customers, you will not get anything measurable result. And I cannot emphasize more on this. Digital marketing is the only way to get measurable result. No traditional media can get you measurable results. Why? Because on digital marketing, every impression. Why? Because in digital marketing, every impression, every reach, every click, every landing page view, how many people scrolled the landing page view, how many people clicked on the landing page, how many people went to cart, how many people abandoned the cart, and how to retarget them. Everything is measured and tracked point to point, end to end. Therefore, digital marketing gives you an edge over traditional marketing because it gives you so much insight that you can target people who was very near buying, or you can eliminate people who are not looking for your product. And finally, digital marketing allows you to build long-term relationships with your customer. How? Very simply, just assume I bought this t-shirt from Levi's and now Levi has my number. They know I bought from them and they know that I bought a shirt. They also know I bought this t-shirt. So what they will do? They can show me ads of what can pair with this t-shirt. They can send me birthday wishes with birthday discount that we all get. They can target me across any channel so that I can keep on buying more and more from them. And no traditional marketing does this. The only traditional marketing I have ever seen is the free samples or the Christmas gift, New Year gift, or Diwali gifts in India. So, digital marketing is not just about acquiring a new customer, it is about acquiring a customer, turning them into client, and making them your loudspeakers, your advocates, so that you can get more and more sales by building long term relationships with them. In our upcoming videos, I will show you how you can start digital marketing and like where to start. And believe me, it does not start digitally. Okay, digital marketing start with very boring work. So let's get into it in the next chapter.